Workshop is a 2-day training course presenting the key modeling and simulation (M&S) concepts, terminology of modern modeling and simulation innovation, use cases and applications in operations research and systems building, confirmation and approval of basic functions, disappointment analysis, modeling and simulating essential requirements such as performance, unwavering quality, safety, security, threats. Participants will pick up an expansive learning of M&S concepts, use cases, applications, methods, procedures, schemes, characteristic languages, numerical information, and important mathematical topics. Modeling and simulation is a discipline for building up a level of understanding of the association of the parts of a system, and of the system in general. The level of understanding which may be produced by means of this discipline is seldom achievable through some other discipline. A system is understood to be a substance which maintains its existence through the association of its parts and subsystems. A model is a simplified representation of the genuine system, a system of SOS, or an ability expected to promote understanding. A simulation by and large refers to a computerized version of the model which is keep running after some time to study the implications of the characterized interactions. Simulations are by and large iterative in their development. Participants will figure out how modeling and simulation, M&S, can be used in physical or legitimate representation of a given system of systems, SOS, and capabilities to create information to anticipate risks and performance and make decisions. TONEX 2-day course in modeling and simulation will give the participants the complete set of skills and learning required for modeling and simulation venture success. Participants will take in the latest and most important modeling and simulation concepts and techniques in a short time. Topics are presented in an instinctive and understandable manner, making use of numerous examples, case studies, in-class exercises, and live demonstrations. Course name: Cyber Threat Simulation Training 3 days. Electronic Warfare Threat Modeling and Simulation Training 4 days. Integrated Performance Modeling and Simulation Training 3 days. Modeling and Simulation RF Systems Training 3 days. Modeling and Simulation Training. Learn more about modeling and simulation training. www.tonex.com